Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip on the stove. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, like cooked chicken, cream cheese, and your favorite hot sauce. A large skillet or pot will be perfect for this recipe, allowing for easy mixing and even heating. Take your cooked chicken and shred or dice it into small, manageable pieces. This preparation makes combining everything much smoother. Now let's get cooking. Begin by melting your cream cheese and a bit of butter in the skillet over medium heat, stirring until it's wonderfully smooth. Next, pour in your buffalo hot sauce and either ranch or blue cheese dressing, mixing it all together. Finally, add your prepared shredded chicken to the skillet, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated in that delicious, creamy sauce. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Making delicious dip can be thirsty work, so stay refreshed with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold while you cook. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the dip heating on the stove, stirring occasionally until it becomes bubbly and hot. This ensures all the flavors meld together perfectly and the dip is heated through completely. Once it's piping hot and ready, transfer it to a serving dish. Your delicious, homemade buffalo chicken dip is best served immediately with crisp celery sticks and crunchy tortilla chips for dipping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.